In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to hyperlink an image to a website in Outlook. This is perfect when you want a logo, banner, or any image in your email to act like a button that takes your reader to a website. Let's walk through it from start to finish so you can do it confidently. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search bar, type Outlook and press Enter. From the results, click the official Outlook site to open your mailbox. Once you're in your inbox, click New Mail to start a new message. Click inside the message box so your cursor is active where you plan to place the image. This ensures Outlook knows exactly where to insert the picture. Next, look at the toolbar at the top of the Compose window and click Insert. From the Insert menu, choose Pictures. That opens your file picker so you can browse your computer. Select the image you want to use and confirm to insert it into your email. A quick tip here: a PNG or JPEG usually works best, and a moderately sized image loads faster and looks cleaner for recipients. Oversized images can make emails feel bulky and may get clipped by some mail apps. Back in your message, click the image once to select it. You'll know it's selected when you see handles or a border around it. With the image selected, go to the top toolbar and click the Hyperlink option. In Outlook on the web, it looks like a small chain link icon and may be labeled Link. A dialog will appear asking for the web address. Type or paste the full URL you want your readers to visit. Include the full protocol, like HTTPS so the link works reliably. If you're pasting a link, double-check there are no extra spaces before or after it. Since you're linking an image, you can ignore any display text fields. The image itself becomes the clickable area. Click OK to apply the link. You can hover your cursor over the image to confirm the URL now appears. That's a quick visual check that the link is in place. If the link option was grayed out earlier, make sure the image is selected before opening the Hyperlink tool. That's all there is to it. You've inserted a picture, turned it into a clickable link, and kept your email looking polished and professional. Use this for logos, promotional graphics, or any call-to-action image that should lead people to a web page. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating cleaner, more interactive emails in Outlook.